맨날 기침 달고 살았는데 이 한국 음식 먹었더니 감기 뚝 떨어졌다는 미국 MC가 있습니다.
In a Korean-style kimchi and tofu stew is silken tofu. There are various kinds. There's firm, there's medium, and it has a wonderful, almost custardy texture taste. I'm gonna cook that just a little bit to release some of the aroma. Next up, I'm gonna add in my stock, about a cup of chopped kimchi, my mushroom, to add it in large chunks of the tofu, which if you can see is just this beautiful, almost like a custard. Enoki mushrooms. I'm gonna stir in a couple of eggs. Egg cooks and enriches the soup. You're done. If a cold, if you're not feeling well, this is exactly what the doctor ordered. From Blumenhof, and a residual sweetness of our tofu and kimchi stew. So the next time you find yourself craving something warm and spicy, and make this Korean style stew, you're gonna be glad that you did.